Hi, I'm Kyla.
Hi, I'm Mindy.
And I'm Matt.
And this is our home, Boho.
And this is our journey from going from a 9 to 5 to living outside. Our Boho Family Adventure. Hello everyone, this is season 5. Or is it 4? 5, season 5 of our trips around the world. Mummy's all blurry with the light. Hi Indy. So yeah, season 5. So season 1 is where it all started, where we were going to Europe. And we ended up doing Portugal, some of France and Spain. Guess what? It is now New Year's Eve and we are off to France and Spain. And guess where we are? We're on the Euro. Oh. It is 9:45 in the morning, New Year's Eve, and we are off to go and get a food shop in Calais. That's not a bad thing to do, is it? So, welcome back. Don't forget, you can go check out seasons 4, 3, 2 and 1. 1 is where we go into Europe for the first time. 2 is where we were doing work in the summer. 3, we were traveling the UK. 4 was a new adventure in our new band, Boho. And now season 5, back in Europe. We excited? Indy, you excited? Oh, it's loud. Oh, am I shouting? I'm shouting because I'm excited. Are you excited? Yeah, big thumbs up. Daddy's loud. But anyway, we need to get on. So we will see you in France. Look at the concentration on that face. Look forward. Kyla's a bit She's not 100% sure about this. She couldn't even remember how we got on this last time. She's like, how do we fit on there? Like, they open the big doors. Open the big doors.
We're in a bigger van now. It's like,
Are we going to France?
Yep.
Can you say bonjour?
Bonjour.
Perfect. Can mommy say bonjour?
bonjour.
Terrible.
Thank you.
Merci.
Merci.
Yeah, good girl.
Au revoir.
Au revoir.
Oh,
good girl. She's learning. You know, by the time we finish this trip, she's going to know 3 languages, counting 1 to 10, saying hello, thank you, and goodbye. Anyway, we're about to get into our things, our little spot. So we thought we'd just have a laugh and leave the sat nav on and put in the south of France. See if it can follow which way we're going to go. It says we're going to do 757 miles, and we get there at 2:10 in the morning. Kyla says she won't drive through the night though. I think it'd be fun.
No.
Me and Indy'd sleep.
I like sleep.
Me and Indy'd sleep the whole way.
Yeah, and there's...
Look at Indy with her...
Oh, you're videoing each other.
Camera on camera. It's Inception.
Why is that different? Because this one goes to the top.
Yeah, it's slightly different. Look, we're moving. Got everybody here. Loads of people.
Don't drop it.
Indy's literally copying me, bless her. She loves it. So as we're sitting on the tunnel, about 10 minutes into the journey,
I can film.
Vlogger Indy is filming us for the behind the scene footage. We've just noticed that we have hit our 100 waves on our waving thing. Excuse my tissue. Yeah, there we go. We've had 100 people waved back at us, and funnily enough, look how many people haven't waved back at us. 69. Bonjour, welcome to France. We have just been and done our food shop because according to the tunnel, you're not supposed to bring food across with you, especially dairy meats and stuff. But we didn't get checked, so we threw loads of food away like fools. Hello. So we are now going to get fuel, and then we have literally put the south of France into the sat nav, and we're going to see how far we can get today because there's going to be lots of wind. I've seen this little camera girl. Well, we've just had an experience. So we were just putting some food into the back of the van where we have our second fridge, and I was just in the front talking, didn't realise I hadn't shut the door properly, and some guy just got into the boot. Luckily, the sunglasses shop where we've parked outside of come and ragged him out.
What the hell?
Looks dodgy as hell, still walking around having a quick furk in the boot. So what?
Just saying thank you.
Just saying thank you to the guy, but yeah, I'm gonna quickly go and check the boot out.
Let's get out of here. Calais.
Calais.
14 hours, 37 minutes until we reach the sunshine.
yeah, we just got boarded. Some guy obviously thought we were coming back to the UK, and he opened a boot and decided to get in.
Oh, what the hell? I thought that was just make-believe.
I know, and he was like nicely dressed, whatever. Just all of a sudden the back door flew open, and you just heard some other French guy shouting at him. And bless him, I think it was from the opticians. And he came in, and he was like, he kicked him out. So Kyla gave him a thumbs up, and when I went and checked the boot again, I gave him a quick wave. But yeah, what do you think of that?
What the beep?
That's mental. I'm going to go back and check the boot again now, because I don't. Might be somebody still in here. But yeah, how exciting! All go already. We've only been here 20 minutes.
Thank you for joining us on our adventure this week. Please subscribe for more of our videos and make sure that you come and say hi in the comments.
See you next week.